We're asked to show that there are two triangles that fit with the following information. Well, we're going to try and find this A. So this is a B and B. A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. Substitute in what we know. So we've got 40 over sine x is 27 over sine 41. Okay, so again I'll come back here and we'll look at the CAS shortly. For now, let's solve by going sine x over 40 is sine 41 over 27. And then 40 is dividing on the left-hand side, so multiply both sides by 40, and we get sine x is equal to 40 times sine 41 divided by 27. So there's a reason I'm doing this line here. We'll come back to that. 40 times sine 41 divided by 27 is 0.9719 and so on. And so x is going to be the inverse sine of my last answer. So the inverse sine of 0.9719 and so on. And that is 76.4 degrees. Correct to 1 decimal place. Now, just as an aside, let's do the sine of 76.4. It's 0.9719. So sine 76.4 is 0.9719 and so on. If I do 180 take away 76.4, which is 103.6, and I do the sine of that angle, it's the same result. So the sine of 180 take away 76.4 is the same as the sine of 76.4, which means that both 76.4 degrees and 103.6 degrees, both of those are valid solutions to this equation. Now, we checked in the last example if they worked with the triangle. The angle that we actually knew beforehand here was the 41. Now, if you do 41 plus 76.4, that's less than 180. So we can have a third angle. But so is 41 plus 103.6. And so both 76.4 and 103.6 fit with the information that we're given to give a valid triangle. Now, before we come back to that, let's just very quickly look on the calculator here. I'll just edit the last time I did this type of calculation. So we've got 40 over sine x is 27 over sine 41. And remember, I've got my given line. I know I'm looking for answers between 0 and 180. And I get the 103.6 and the 76.4. So, there are two triangles. One triangle is 27 centimeters, 40 centimeters, 41 degrees, 76.4 degrees, and the final angle is 180, take away 41, take away 76.4 is 62.6. And of course we could work out the third side and then have the triangle completely solved. The other triangle would have 40 centimeters, 27 centimeters, and 41. That's the information we were given in the question. But this angle would be 103.6 degrees. And that means we've got 180, take away 41, take away 103.6, which is 35.4. So both of those triangles fit with the information we were given, and that is why it is called the ambiguous case. The information that we were given had two possible meanings.